All right, good morning, everybody. It's Monday, March 22nd. We're playing with blocks today. Those of you that are home, I bet you're sad. You don't get to play with blocks. Hi, Liam. What's up? Good, I'm glad. All right, so we're going to be talking today about how to write some expressions. And in order to do that, we're going to use some blocks to play around with. So we were just talking about when you go to a restaurant and there's a single square table, they have 4 seats on this table so that they can seat 4 people. So 1 square table, 4 people. But sometimes when you go to the restaurant, you have more people with you, right? And when you go in and you go, I have 8 people. They say, just a minute, let us get your table ready. And then they start scooting tables together. Yes. Now, you can still only have 1 person on each side of that table. So look at this and tell me how many people can be seated at this set of 2 tables. Rock?
6.
So 1 table is 4 and 2 tables, we didn't double the number, did we? It's not 8 because these 2 seats are not available now. Make sense? Add another block. 3 tables pushed together. How many seats can I have? Camden?
8.
How'd you get 8? Did you see how Camden did that? Because he didn't just count around. He's found a pattern already. There's 3 on this side and 3 on this side, which makes 6, and 1 on each end, which makes 8. So let's use Camden's idea and see if it works again. 4 tables, 4 on this side, 4 on this side, and 2 ends. Liam? Exactly right. Let's try it for 5. 5 on this side, 5 on this side, and 1 on each end. Dylan? 12 seats. Now we have a problem because we don't want to have to go get 50 blocks and line them up. So what we're going to look for is a pattern. Okay? And we're going to go all the way to 50 seats. If you think about Camden's strategy, watch this. Here's a strategy. If there's 50 on this side and 50 on this side and 1 on each end, how many seats? Tyler? 102. 50 here, 50 here, and 1 on each end, right? What if I change this to a 200? Katie Hall, how many seats? 402. So we want to come up with an expression that says, no matter what the number of tables is, I'm always going to find the answer by doing this. I'm going to go whatever the number of tables is times 2. Does that make sense? 200 and 200, 50 and 50, 71 and 71. It doesn't matter. There's going to be 2 of those. So it's going to be 2 times however many tables there are, plus what? Aiden?
Plus 2.
Plus 2 at the ends. Liam, we're done with that for now. Do you have this stuff written down? This one I just put on there. Make sure you guys are filling in your table there. So what if I made this, instead of 50, what if I said that number is 80? Could you figure out how many chairs, how many people you could seat if you knew it was 80? Lene, could we figure it out from 80? How would I do it? Okay, 2 times 80 plus 2 more. Does that make sense? So we're going to be working on tables today where we have to come up with an expression where you both multiply and add. So that's kind of today's thing. Okay, let's turn the page. We've already answered this and this and this. We're going to go down here at the example. Looking at this example, Pizza Queen has a special offer on lunch pizzas, $4 each. They charge $2 to deliver regardless of how many pizzas you order. Determine the cost for the various number of pizzas. So my question to you is this. If I order one pizza, I have to pay for the pizza, plus I have to pay for delivery. What would I write as the total cost, Lene? $6. One pizza, $4, delivery charge $2, total $6. What about for two pizzas? I'm going to say 2 times 4. That's how much the pizzas will cost, plus the $2 delivery charge, $10. Question?
You know what you could have done? Just do 4 plus 4 equals 8 and then plus 2.
Yep. You could do that. You guys ready? All right. Liam, tell me what to put in my calculator to figure out the answer for this. I have to pay 3 times for $4 for the pizzas, then I have to pay for the service charge.
3 times 4 and
$14. Olivia, 4 pizzas. What do I put in the calculator? 4 times $4, and then plus the $2 delivery fee, $18. Tyler, 10 pizzas. What would I type in? Not sure? Felicity? 10 pizzas times $4 plus the $2 for delivery charge, $42. Aiden, 50 pizzas.
4 times 50 plus 2.
So the pattern each time was we took $4 times however many pizzas, and then we added the delivery charge. $4 P plus $2. What mathematical operations do we have to do to perform that total cost? Well, first we multiplied, and then after that, what do we do?
Add.
We had to add the service charge at the end. Suppose the principal wanted to buy a pizza for everyone in our class. How much would this cost? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 pizzas times how much for each pizza? Hello? Yes, Alexis? $4 plus the $2 delivery charge. Figure out how much it would cost if Mr. Church bought each one of us our very own pizza. Tell me what I would have to do. Catalan. We did multiply and add, right? This one wants us to work backwards. So check this out. You ready? Blake, you ready? If the Booster Club had $400 to spend on pizza, what's the greatest number of pizzas they could order? So we're going to go backwards. So instead of multiply and add, what are we going to do? Divide and subtract, right? So we're going to start with $400. Now, what do I know I have to pay right up front already? The $2. So let's go ahead and pay the $2 because we know it's going to cost that much for the delivery. What do I have left to spend on pizzas? Camden? $398 to spend on pizza, and each pizza cost $4, right? $398 divided by $4. 99.5 pizzas. Will they sell us a half a pizza? How many pizzas can I get then? 99 pizzas. That's a lot for $400, huh?
That wouldn't even that'd be like a third of the school.
Yeah. Yep. Okay, now it says if the pizza price went up to $5 and the delivery price went up to $3. Who tells me what I put in the calculator to give the answer for if I buy one pizza? Catalin, to buy one pizza, what would I do? $8. All right, Brock, 2 pizzas. What do I do?
2 times 5 plus
13. Lene, 3 pizzas. What would I type in?
3 times 5 plus
$18. All right, Blake, what do I do for 4 pizzas?
4 times 5.
Plus, what's the delivery charge? $23. Okay, 5 pizzas. Camden?
5 times 5.
28. So I'm taking the number of pizzas and I'm multiplying it by what?
5.
And then I have to add the delivery fee, 5p plus 3. Is that kind of making sense?
Yeah.
Oh, we're on the problem set.
Already. It is pretty big though.
Yeah, we aren't going to do all of it.
That's a 3-page problem set.
Okay, here we go. We're going to buy CDs. Each CD costs $12. And there's a $4.50 service shipping and handling. So what do I do to figure out how much it will cost for one CD? Katie Hall. I got to make this look like money. Katie, how would I do that? Yep. All right, Aiden Applegate. 2 CDs.
2 times 12 plus 450.
And Aiden, how do I make that look like money? Yep. Felicity. 3 CDs. And how do I make that look like money, Felicity? Yep. So what expression would we use? They said use D for CDs, so I'm going to say 12 times D, 12 times however many CDs, plus the shipping and handling. Does that make sense? All right, Tyler, your turn. What about 8 CDs? Yep, 8 times 12 plus 450, yep. And Tyler, how do I make that look like money? $100.50. Number 2. We're ordering paperback books. The books each cost $2.95. Shipping charges are $4 regardless of how many books you get. Okay? Liam, what am I going to put in here for one book?
One times 2.5 plus
$4. $6.95 for one book. Olivia, 2 books. Right here. Books are $2.95 each plus $4 for shipping. So how would I figure out how much I would spend for 2 books? And how do I make that look like money? Yep. All right, Dylan Burgess, 3 books. How do I do that one? $12.85. So what's the equation? We took the books, which were B, and we multiplied that by the cost of each book. And then we added the shipping cost. Is this kind of making some sort of sense? All right, 24 books. Liam, your turn. Take our equation, our expression, and now we're going to buy 24 books. What do I put down? The B is now going to be a 24. $2.95 times 24 plus. How do I make that look like money, Liam? I'm going to have you do 3 and 4 for homework today, but I want to get you started on number 3 first. Sarah's saving money to take a trip to Oregon. She got $450 in graduation gifts, and she saves $120 per week. So for the first week, how would I figure out what she has the very first week? She already got money before she started, so week 0, she already had some money, right? Aiden?
$450 plus 120.
$450 plus $120 for the first week, $570. Go ahead and finish 2 and 3. And you're answering these 2 questions. Oh, let's go back to A. Write an expression that shows how much she has after working W weeks. She gets $120, times W plus the $450 she had before she started. So there's your expression you're going to use. And down at the bottom, can you cross off C? You're not doing C. Circle B. Okay, that's it. And just turn that in before you leave.